Welcome home.
Thank you.
You look different today.
Really?
Yes.
You look happy.
Because today is a special day.
Tell me.
I received my first salary.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you.
How do you feel?
Honestly, proud and thankful.
What was the first thing you thought about?
My parents,
That's beautiful.
they sacrificed so much for me.
Are you going to buy something?
Yes.
For yourself?
No,
Then for whom?
for my parents and for you.
Me?
Yes,
You don't have to.
I want to.
That means a lot.
Money comes and goes.
But love stays forever.
Exactly.
What will you buy for your parents?
A warm shawl for my mother and a nice watch for my father.
They will be so happy.
I hope so.
And what about me?
That's a surprise.
Tell me.
No.
Please.
Okay. Your favorite chocolate and a beautiful book.
Really?
Yes.
That's the sweetest gift.
That's just the beginning.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you for believing in me.
Always.
Let's celebrate.
Yes.
This is only the beginning of our journey.